everyone. Today, Leo and I are going to play a game called The Deep Dive. We're going to ask each other things we've never talked about before.
I'm a bit nervous, Sophie. You always ask the hardest questions.
Don't worry, I'll be nice. Maybe.
Okay, I'll start. Sophie, are you actually a morning person? Because you always look so awake.
It's a secret, Leo. It's actually the makeup. Obviously not. I love the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. What about you?
6 a.m.? That's middle of the night for me. I'm a total night owl. I do my best work at 11 p.m.
That's so late. Do you drink coffee to stay up?
Actually, no. I'm a tea person. A strong cup of English breakfast tea is all I need. Are you a coffee addict?
Sadly, yes. I can't even speak English until I've had my first latte. Speaking of coffee, if you could have a coffee anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would you go?
Easy. Italy. I want to sit in a small square in Rome and just watch people. You?
I would pick Tokyo. I have always wanted to see the cherry blossoms.
Oh, that would be beautiful. Do you like flying, though? I get so nervous during takeoff.
Really? I love it! It's the only time I can sit still and watch 3 movies in a row.
I just grip the armrest and pray. Be honest, Sophie. What is the one food you absolutely hate?
Mushrooms. I can't stand the texture. It's like eating wet sponges.
Wet sponges? That's a bit dramatic. I love mushrooms on pizza.
Yuck! No way. What about you? Are you a picky eater?
Not really, but I'm a terrible cook. I once tried to make pasta, and I actually burnt the water.
You burnt the water? How is that even possible, Leo?
I forgot the pot on the stove and went to play video games. The pot turned black.
Okay, last round. Do you have a secret talent that nobody knows about?
I can actually juggle. 3 oranges, no problem. What about you?
I can solve a Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes.
No way! We need to film that for the next video.
Deal. Okay, last one. What's your biggest fear?
Spiders. Definitely spiders. Even the tiny ones.
Me too. If I see one in my room, I have to sleep on the sofa.
Well, at least we are honest.
This was so much fun.
It was! And for those watching, who do you agree with? Sophie's 6 a.m. wake up or my 11 p.m. energy?
Let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.
Bye-bye!